Do you drink alcohol?
Yeah.
Do you drink beer?
Yeah.
Oh, sounds
We just drank Sapporo in Shibuya rooftop. Yeah,
Really?
it was good.
Meg rooftop.
Meg rooftop.
Right, the one,
Yeah.
and they with the ticket they give you also a drink.
Yeah, a drink. So we take the beer.
You will teach us also a little bit about the sticks because we have a way, but we don't know.
Oh,
We have some problem. I have some problem.
oh.
And for you, it's easy.
Yeah,
For
yeah.
us.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
like
read
this.
my book. First of all, grip like a pencil.
Pencil.
Okay.
Pencil.
Yeah.
Like
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, like
Yeah.
this.
And then how?
And move just only upper side.
Okay.
はい。はい、ありがとうございます。プレゴ。
Thank you.
Grazie.
Okay. Okay. Like this.
Yes,
Oh, yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Perfect.
Then I'll try.
Yeah. So, let's
Okay.
cheers.
Oh.
Do you know how to say in Japanese?
Kanpai.
Oh.
We already know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kanpai.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you. In Italy, we say salute.
Oh,
Yes.
salute.
Salute.
Salute. Then we
We push.
the glass
Glass.
on the table,
And then
and
we
then we
drink.
drink.
Ah, okay.
And you need to look each other.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we look
Yeah,
each
like
other.
this.
Okay.
Salute. and
Salute.
then-
And like this,
Yeah.
and then we drink.
Right.
Yeah, this.
Salute.
Salute. Like this. It's so good.
It's very refreshing after.
Long day.
Santry. Company name is Santry.
Ah.
Santry.
Yes.
Yeah, we only knew
Sapporo.
Sapporo.
Ah, Sapporo.
Sapporo.
Yeah.
How was it?
I think for me this is better because
Yeah,
Sapporo
also
is
for me.
a little bit too gassy. There are too gas. This
A bit too
is
strong,
maybe
yeah.
a little bit.
Light. It's very good.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's Nissan car.
Nissan Serena.
Nissan
Serena.
Serena.
It's me.
When did you arrive in Japan?
This morning.
This
morning, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
It was a long journey.
Yeah.
Very long and difficult.
How long does it take?
14 days.
14 hours. No, sì, sorry.
Sorry, the journey.
yeah.
Okay, 14 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so you must be very tired.
Yeah, a
Yeah.
little bit.
Yeah.
Very
Because
happy.
also we didn't slept in during the flight, so we are.
24 hours with 3 hours of sleep.
Thank you so much. You
No,
said.
no.
Yes.
It was a pleasure, so nice.
Oh,
Thank you.
thank you.
What is this?
We call it YUBA.
Cuba.
YUBA is like when you boil soy milk, it appears surface.
Okay. You took it?
Yeah, and so inside is YUBA, and
Ah,
outside
okay.
is jelly.
Okay. Okay.
So let's try.
So, how you say in Japanese to say to wish a nice meal?
Ah, yeah. Let's do.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it together.
Okay.
Okay.
We call it いただきます。
Itadakimasu.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Okay.
いただきます。
Itadakimasu.
Ah, wonderful.
So let's try it. The jelly is difficult.
Yeah. Yeah. It's difficult to grab.
Because you don't have to push too much.
Yeah.
L'ho fatto io.
Nice.
I can do it.
Yeah, it's very hard. Even Japanese.
Yes. But it's good practice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think after this you can eat everything.
Everywhere.
Ah.
You can take everything.
And this sauce is dashi. Do you know dashi? Fish soup. fish
Ah,
roll.
okay.
Ah, no. Ah, this
Oh, it's
one.
so good.
Yeah.
Okay. That's fresh.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
love
it's
that.
fresh to
Yeah.
refresh the mouth before
Yeah.
It's
Bonito.
bonito.
the bonito. Okay. Kind of fish. So
Yeah.
I think I never ate bonito the first time.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
And it's little bit grilled outside.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Inside it's raw.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it's already tasted, so you can eat.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
You don't need
Okay.
to
Okay.
put
Okay.
like a soy sauce.
Yeah.
You don't
Ah,
need.
okay.
I understand. Yeah.
And also this one is green onion.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this
Of course.
one is Japanese ginger.
Ah, okay.
Also ginger.
Also it's ginger.
Okay.
With
Okay.
grated ginger.
Wow.
And this one is Japanese herb.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can put
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
whatever you
Thank you.
want.
So I go. Ah, it's good.
Good.
Yeah. It's a, yeah, it's good. It's like
Wow.
Wow.
Wonderful.
Oh, you really like it.
Yeah.
Wow.
it's like
Tuna.
yeah.
Yeah, it's
A little
close.
bit.
Similar.
Yeah, close, really close species. Tuna
Okay.
and
Yeah.
bonito.
Really nice.
I think it's more
Oh.
a little bit tastier than
Yeah.
than
Tuna. Yeah.
Let's eat more.
Yeah,
Let's eat
it's-
more. Yeah.
Maybe it's good to with.
with two
Yeah.
cans.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
I love this beef.
Ah, okay,
Ah,
together.
Together. Oh, like
Is it bone?
Buono.
Buono.
すいません。ありがとうございます。
Oh wow. Okay. This one so good.
Oh.
I'm glad.
Yeah.
Because when we ate in Italy,
Yeah. Sushi
sashimi,
or
Oh.
they didn't put also
these ingredients.
something more in the plate to mix it. So only raw fish. So you
Ah,
have
only raw fish.
you have to choose or raw fish or raw fish with soy sauce.
But the
It's
quality,
the only option.
the
But you
quality,
cannot
yeah.
mix with the
Ah.
herbs or ginger. So it's nice.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah, but this is high quality.
Wow. So please enjoy spring in Japan.
Spring.
Yeah,
Spring,
Yeah,
okay.
you know, there is now it's season.
Ah, okay.
Ah.
It's
Yeah.
season food.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is tiny squid,
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
and also this one is canola, like a vegetable, middle of vegetable and flour.
Ah, really?
Okay.
Wow.
Please put a little bit salt.
Ah, this is so.
Yeah.
Ah, this is so.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you like do
Little
like
bit,
this?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay.
A little bit.
So give it this.
Yes.
Very good.
Oh.
Yeah. It's yeah, it's very good. No, because we also have in Italy something like that. Call it moscardini. That it's small octopus.
Small octopus.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
Oh, really?
yeah,
The
but
flavor, it's not.
no, it's not the same, and they are more. You have to chew a lot.
A lot.
This
Yeah.
one you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Few bites and there you go.
Wow.
Yeah, very nice. I will try this. Also
Oh.
this with a little bit of salt or
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we try.
And we call it this dish is tempura.
Tempura.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, it's this vegetable.
Okay.
It's like a flower.
Yeah.
Nice.
This one is so.
Oh.
Yeah.
Bonissimo.
Yeah.
Buonissimo. Buonissimo.
Yeah.
Buonissimo. I would like to live in Japan only
For
to,
food.
Yeah, for food. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's fantastic.
So what made you come to Japan?
But the first time that we met
Last year.
Oh,
we started talking about what would be the trip to do, and was for both was Japan.
Oh.
Yeah. So here we are.
Wow.
Yeah,
You wanted to come to Japan?
Yeah.
both.
Wow.
Yeah.
I don't know,
It was
because
a
maybe on Instagram, you know, a lot of there are a lot of videos regarding Japan, and maybe it was the place we were more curious about, because
Food,
it
yeah,
was
place food.
maybe more far from the culture, you know, different from
Yes,
like a very
yes,
different
very
culture.
different.
Yeah, very different.
But it seems also more open to the foreign people. You know, so then we started looking at videos about food, and so we
yeah.
said we have to organize.
Oh, nice.
All day.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. We bought a Lonely Planet, and we decided to
yeah.
organize by ourselves, because there are also. I don't know if in Italy there are two big organizations that do like group travel,
Yeah.
but you have to be strict to their program. So
Yeah.
you are
No,
like
you
in
can
16,
choose,
20
if you
people.
want to go.
Ah,
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah. You cannot choose.
Yeah.
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 And so
We made from ourselves. So
Yeah. So that's why you came here. You came here
yeah.
yeah.
for us.
Yeah, because I think if you go with an organized thing, you lose a little bit the idea of getting informed about the food, the cities, and while if you have to do it from zero, you
discover,
arrive
yeah.
here more conscious about the habits, what it's better not to do, what it's better to do, and so we Italian can be very noisy in metro, so
Yeah.
Today we are going to do our best to introduce.
Yeah, Japanese.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank
We
you.
appreciate that.
We have also really good food.
Yeah.
As Italian.
yeah,
Yeah.
you know.
This is croquette.
Croquette.
Okay.
Croquette.
Also
It is-
fish. This one.
Yeah,
Yes,
inside.
kind of is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you know crab?
Crab, yeah.
Yeah.
Crab,
yeah.
okay.
Okay.
Crab croquette.
If you want, we can
But,
divide. So.
Yeah.
Totally.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But this we can eat by hands or? Oh, it's-
No, this is yeah.
You cut half.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
You don't need to eat one bite. You
Yeah.
don't need.
Okay.
Maybe it's hot. So
Okay.
It smells so good.
yeah. Crab and white sauce.
Mm-hmm.
White
Yeah.
sauce. yeah.
Okay.
What happened?
In Italy, we say, "I'm flying."
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
What is the cream inside? Is it only crab or?
Maybe only crab and white sauce.
Okay.
White sauce. What is white sauce?
Maybe
Made from milk.
milk, like our bechamel.
Okay.
Milk,
Milk
yeah.
and flour.
Flour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like the ones that we make that we use when we make lasagna.
very
that's
easy.
right.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very good.
Yeah.
It's very good.
Oh, yeah. I love it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love it.
Crunchy and tasty.
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
Next is like grilled fish.
Grilled fish.
Fish name is
Mackerel.
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 Okay.
And
This
this
is
one.
rice?
Yeah. Oh no, it's
No?
not. It's not rice. This is radish.
Okay.
Ah, okay.
Radish. Vegetable.
Okay.
And this one is ginger.
Ginger.
Okay.
Okay.
Marinated ginger.
Okay.
Okay.
You can also eat this one. So
Sì.
and
Vuoi prendere?
This is.
Yeah.
little bit soy sauce.
Mm.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is maybe it's really bit oily. So
Oily,
that's why
okay.
it's good for radish and lemon.
Lemon.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understand.
It's grilled with salt.
Thank you.
With salt, sorry.
Yeah, so
Ok.
Prego.
Thank you.
Grazie.
wow.
It's very good.
I don't know what to say.
It's
Fantastic.
it's like lo sgombro.
Yeah. For us,
we have
a white fish.
this,
In Italy, very
it's
similar.
not
Oh,
white
really?
fish. Pesce azzurro.
Yeah.
Blue fish.
Blue fish.
Yeah.
Yes, blue.
It's the taste is more the texture
Similar,
is more
yeah.
similar. Yeah. It's good.
Mm. Very good.
Okay, it's good.
Oh, thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like fish.
Oh, really?
Have you tried sake?
Maybe one
Maybe
time in
once.
Italy, but I don't remember the taste.
So it's with ice.
Yes. Yeah,
I don't know why in
Okay.
Italy. I'm
Without.
sure that I drank it a little hot.
Yeah. Some foreigner always say only hot.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
But we drink hot and cold.
Ah, okay.
Ah, okay. Okay.
And as you can see, it's not touchy.
Ah, okay. There is another bowl inside.
Yeah.
Genius.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. It's like flour.
Oh.
Oh. What do you know how to make sake?
No.
No.
It made from rice.
Ah,
Really?
okay.
Yeah, fermented rice.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So,
Kampai.
kampai
Kampai.
again.
Kampai.
Kampai.
Ormai it's no, bit.
Mm. It's not so strong.
Mm.
Yeah. I don't know how many degrees it is.
Mm.
Can you guess
Okay.
how many
Degrees?
Yeah.
Oh, so,
Maybe around. No, maybe a little bit stronger than wine, between around 20.
Oh, yeah. 60.
16.
Ah, okay.
No,
16.
16.
Ah, okay, 60.
Oh my god.
Sorry, 16.
16,
Okay.
okay.
Nice.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a new flavor in my mouth.
Oh,
Wow.
Easy to drink.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
It's Japanese egg omelette,
Omelette.
Okay.
Yeah.
but inside is like fish egg.
Okay.
Ah.
Ah, okay. Like caviar? No, or
Yeah.
something like that.
Yeah, like
Cod-
caviar.
cod roll.
Cod roll.
Okay.
This is like mayonnaise and cod roll.
Ah, okay.
Ah, okay.
So you can put on the
Ah,
egg
okay.
and eat.
Okay.
it's
Oh,
better
thank
use
you,
more.
yeah.
It's
Maybe I
no problem.
think-
Like it's really
like-
soft. So
There is a way
Yes.
like this.
Yes. Oh.
Okay.
you can slide it.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. You can do
Alright.
it. You can do it.
Yeah, maybe this is a more
Yeah.
smart.
Okay.
Oh.
Also the sauce. Thank you.
Fish.
Yeah.
This is wonderful.
Mm.
The sauce is wow.
I usually don't eat fish egg.
But this
I
is
never
so
eat. I mean, I don't like caviar, but this is good because
Oh.
it doesn't taste too much
too
of
much.
fish.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
So, what did you think about Japan when you arrived at Japan?
What we? Think,
like your first impression about Japan.
Okay. Very organized.
Yeah.
Because
Very
when-
clean.
When we
Very
drop
clean.
off the plane, there was
Yes.
a person in each angle of the airport to say, "Come here, go there." Come. So and you have all the procedures are automatic. So
Yeah.
also for the passport
quick.
and
Yeah.
in 15 minutes since we drop off the plane, we had the luggage.
Oh,
Yeah.
Everything
really?
up.
Only
Yeah, very quick.
15
In
minutes.
Italy,
In
it's
you have-
at least
you have to wait,
1 hour.
maybe
since
1 hour,
You have to
yeah.
wait in the plane. They make you wait in the plane for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh.
Traveling, another travel.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, it's crazy.
It's very clean.
We thought was more difficult to move around. So we were a little bit
Worried about,
how things work here differently from Italy, but instead it went
was
very
easy,
smooth.
yeah.
Oh, nice.
Went very
Oh,
smooth.
oh, oh.
And we heard that not so many people here speak English,
Yeah.
Yeah.
but
Yes.
I have to say that each person that we asked something,
Helped us to
he-
find places. Yeah.
Oh.
People
he,
here are
he
very
or she
polite.
spoke
Yeah.
spoke English. So
Ah.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
I know Italian people say chin chin.
Chin
Chin
chin.
chin.
Ah, yes,
Yeah,
sure.
of course.
Okay.
Chin
Chin
chin.
chin, chin chin. Sweet.
Oh my God. Yeah, this is so strange. It seems like tea, but with alcohol. I don't know. The taste, I feel it's like this. The tea with the alcohol. Yeah.
You can buy at convenience store.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
also.
convenience store.
We were surprised about the quality of the food at convenience.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Yeah, because
like for us, there are supermarkets, but not so high quality.
no, I mean
Oh,
there are
okay.
mini market. No? I mean you can find in Italy mini market,
Sì.
but
Yeah.
you don't find I mean quality. It's
Yeah.
very bad food.
Yeah.
Instead
Really?
today we.
Really?
It was perfect.
I mean, it was not the restaurant, but it's
No, but
like good.
This was so good. Yeah.
Wow. はい、お願いします。いいよ。おー、はい、ありがとうございます。すいません。
Oh wow.
Oh,
Red
nice.
snapper.
Red snapper.
Red
Just
snapper.
it's a fish. Okay.
Okay.
ありがとうございます。あ、ありがとうございます。イエーイ。
Wow.
あ
diverso.
りがとうございます。
We call it
Skaki.
Sukiyaki
Skaki.
is like kind of hot pot.
Okay.
Maybe you really love tomato.
Yeah, we like tomato. I think 80% of the Italian
Italian
dishes contain tomato.
No, it's like Italian and Japanese.
Yeah.
Of course.
It's Wagyu beef.
Oh, Wagyu beef.
Yeah.
We are very excited about it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Let's try sukiyaki. Sukiyaki usually eat with raw egg, but it's not.
Okay.
Yeah.
First time. Very, very good. I like it a lot.
Tomato juicy.
Oh yeah.
It's wonderful.
Yeah.
Also because there are onions and it's a little bit sweet too.
Yeah.
Yes, sukiyaki is very sweet dish. Yeah.
But it's usually made with Wagyu beef or beef in general.
Yeah, beef. Yeah.
Okay. It's like butter, the beef.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Very-
the fatty, melting mouth.
Yeah, it's really good with tomato.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. A little bit sour. And,
Good combination.
we have Japanese original pasta.
Really?
Yes.
Do you know that?
No,
We called it Napolitan.
Napolitan.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think it's a joke.
Yeah, it's not joke. It's,
It's not a joke.
it's
Very
real.
traditional
This is
traditional
Napolitan.
one. It's Napolitan.
Okay.
It's
We-
spaghetti.
Yeah,
spaghetti, yeah.
Ah, okay.
And
But
make,
it's
make with ketchup.
No, so
It isn't true. No,
I like
I don't
this.
think so.
But Japanese really love it.
no, but
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's very delicious.
With
Yeah.
ketchup?
Yes.
Yeah.
Please try it.
Yeah,
Good-
you
good
should
memory.
try.
no,
Maybe
No, I don't
In
think.
Japan.
it's like
It's
something
like a
like
murder to us.
like ananas pizza,
Yeah.
you know. So
Yeah. You can buy it in supermarket.
Oh.
already
really?
made,
Yeah.
already
Yes.
made it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh
yes.
my god.
No, I don't think I'm gonna
No.
try it.
Okay, let's try
Okay.
rice.
Yes.
Yeah, boiled with dashi.
Dashi.
Yeah. And fish.
Okay.
Okay.
And also, this miso soup is ingredients is seaweed.
Mm.
Okay.
Seaweed.
Okay. It's a little bit crunchy, the seaweed, or not?
Oh,
no.
it's not crunchy.
Ah, okay.
Really soft.
Wow.
That's
Very
very
good.
It's like this fish, it's like an Italian fish.
How is it called? This the fish?
Red snapper.
Red snapper.
Yeah. It's white fish.
White
White
fish.
fish.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, like it.
Yeah.
Like. Oh, that's good. Very good.
Mm. And drink miso soup.
Oh, okay. But miso is a vegetable or is a...
It's
Miso.
made from soybeans.
Ah, okay.
Fermented
Fermented.
soybeans.
Ah, okay.
It's so good.
Bonissimo.
Buonissimo.
Mm.
No, buonissimo.
Can you eat dessert?
Yeah, I have a small space for dessert. Do you want to do half?
Yeah,
Okay.
maybe. Yeah.
Okay.
The next plate
Yeah.
We split.
Yeah,
We split the dessert.
I think I love this.
Yeah, it's
We
nice.
should buy.
Yes, please, please. Hi. Hi, ありがとうございます. So this is matcha ice cream.
Ah, okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Try
So
today.
and this brown powder is
Okay.
made from
Soy.
soy
Wow.
powder, and this
You
one
make everything with soy. That's
Yeah.
wonderful.
and this one is red bean, red
Okay.
beans,
Okay.
and this is
Bean paste.
kind of mochi.
Ah,
Mochi.
okay.
Yeah, we call it dango.
Dango.
Yeah, maybe it's not taste, so that's why you better eat with
Yeah.
red bean paste
Okay.
or matcha ice cream.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I recommend.
I saw today a set like a form of fish with the red beans. It could be.
Taiyaki.
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 Yeah, but we haven't tried yet.
Oh, you
Oh.
should try.
Yeah.
I love it.
It's sweet.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sweet.
Okay.
Yeah, sweet.
Okay.
Inside is red
Also,
bean paste.
sweet potatoes are red.
Ah,
yeah,
yes.
Yeah.
Mm. Very good.
Mm.
Yeah, mochi with red bean paste.
Mm,
Ah,
it's so
okay.
good. In
Ah.
Italy, one time I tried mochi
Yes.
with red beans, but
Uh-huh.
Oh, really?
it wasn't good at all.
Oh,
But
okay.
because it wasn't sweet,
Oh.
so I said, okay, no, I don't like it. I'll never try it again. So,
Yeah, yeah.
but this is so good.
Oh.
Mm.
I really like the mochi taste. The
Mm.
mochi
Oh.
texture.
Texture.
You know, it's a little bit chunky. You have to.
Mm.
It's very nice.
I think this is the best.
Oh.
I love it.
She really likes dessert.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
love.
Can I take a photo?
Oh,
Sure.
Of course.
Wow. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
It's
Polaroid.
Oh. No, bellissimo.
Oh, thank
Thank you.
Yeah, present for you.
Thank you very
Oh,
much.
thank you so
Thank you very much.
much.
You're too kind.
Beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful.
Oh,
Che bella.
Che bella.
Che bella. Ah.
grazie.
You are too nice.
Thank
just
you.
for the dinner. Very nice.
Oh,
Thank
it's
you.
wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So, could you tell me today's impression?
For me, it was a special experience.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. It has been a pleasure
Yeah,
to eat
pleasure.
with you because you are two very nice guys,
Oh.
and so
we thank you for this moment.
for this
because,
moment, and
very
also
special.
I think that eating with local people,
Oh,
you
it
really
helped
understand
us,
the
To
culture.
discover,
And to
the
discover.
real food,
Yeah.
real Japanese food. Yeah.
Yeah. So we appreciate it a lot.
Yeah.
We hope to meet
you again.
Yeah. If you came to Italy, tell us so maybe we can do the same, but for you.
Yeah.
You can do the video, but we can do for
Yeah,
you
yes.
to take you out.
Yeah.
It'll be
Next
a
time,
pleasure.
please
It will be a
interview.
pleasure.
Please interview to us.
Yeah.
In Italy.
Yeah.
Sure.
Wow.
For sure.
Yeah.
Wow.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Grazie.
Grazie.
Grazie,
Grazie.
grazie mille.
Have a nice trip.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Yeah, yeah. Bye bye.